What is cloud computing? Internet-based computing where you can share resources, software, and information to organizations' computers and devices through the Internet. Two main types: private and public. Security. All data is stored on the cloud. Concerns with privacy and security. There are myths that cloud computing is less secure than traditional approaches. 3-step guide. Understand security. Accessibility is more important than location. Test vulnerability. The era of cloud computing. Although the term cloud computing is relatively modern, the concept of sharing resources over a network, essentially accessing them from the cloud, has a much longer history. One that goes right back to computing's earliest days. 1947. Tom Kilburn and Frederick Williams developed the world's first stored program computer. 1955. During this time there were just 250 computers in the world. 1960s. Paul Baran and Donald Davis came up with packet switching. 1961. John McCarthy made a speech at MIT. 1969. J.C.R. Licklider, who envisioned ARPANET, sent first message. 1973. ARPANET connects to sites in Norway and UK, Internet. 1974. Telenet, first packet switched network available to the public. By Blot, Beranek and Newman. 1977. Apple II personal computer released. One of the earliest computers to run business apps. 1981. IBM personal computer launched. 1982. Minitech launches nationwide as Videotek's online service accessed via phone lines. 1985. First version of Microsoft OS launched. Windows 1.0. 1991. Tim Berners-Lee developed World Wide Web. Established URL, HTML, HTTP. 1993. Mosaic launched. 1996. Compaq execs, George and Sean, refer to cloud computing in their business plan. 1999. First website to deliver apps over the Internet, SalesRoom. 2000. The dot-com burst provides perfect conditions for cloud computing to thrive. 2002. World produced 5 exabytes of info a year. Need for cloud storage increased. 2006. Amazon Web Services launched, and Google Apps is launched. 2007. Remote Island, Tristan da Cunha, gets access to advanced medical care thanks to IBM. 2010. Netflix moves to Amazon Web Services due to rapid growth. 2011. iCloud enables users to store images and docs remotely, manage iOS devices. 2012. Amazon confirms that their marketplace consists of 1,900 software products. 2013. Google announces it will begin encrypting data in cloud automatically. 2014. Amazon Web Services releases 516 new features and services. 2015. FBI announces movement of criminal information to the cloud, using Microsoft's Azure platform, cloud computing in real life. Mr. Claude is 32 years old, owns a travel agency and is married with 2 kids. Let's take a quick look at his daily schedule. Wake up, and prepare for the commute. Check the news, weather, and read emails. What is Gmail? Gmail is a free email service developed by Google. Webmail launched 2014. Written in Java, JavaScript, Ajax. Initial storage, 15 GB. 1.5 billion users. Pros and cons of Gmail. Biggest security benefit is the improvement in content filtering. Many organizations avoided cloud migrations due to concern of exposure of sensitive data. Cloud-based email systems often have much higher availability. Customers depend on cloud providers to secure services. Driving to work. Check traffic alerts. Drive to Starbucks for a morning cup of coffee. What is PayPal? Cloud-based mobile payment system. Uses data encryption and anti-fraud technology to keep your information secure. Register your credit or debit card with your PayPal account. Choose PayPal at checkout and confirm payment. Use PayPal to shop around the globe anywhere you see the PayPal logo. How secure is PayPal? Anytime you send or receive a payment, they send you email confirmation. In addition to your password, you enter a one-time PIN, unique to each login. Data encryption is one of the most important reasons over 203 million account holders trust them with their financial information. Working, creating documents, and sharing them with your colleagues. What is Office 365? The ability to work anywhere, anytime. Since Office 365 is cloud-based, multiple people can edit the same document at once. Flexible monthly billing process that lets you add or decrease the number of users to suit your needs. You don't need any special configuration or IT skills. Just an internet connection. Microsoft does not disclose their location to the public. Data is always encrypted. Microsoft employs multiple layers of redundancy and backup. Requires strong passwords to make sure simple brute force attacks don't lead to security breach. You control what can be seen and by whom? Lunch time. Enjoy real clouds in the sky as you eat your lunch. Back to work. Perhaps create more documents and to share amongst your colleagues. Google Wave. In most instances, you can see what someone else is typing, character by character. Can be embedded on any blog or a website. Developers can build their own apps. Anything can be edited by anyone. Open source code fosters innovation. Playback any part of the wave. Autocorrects spelling. Can also auto-translate on the fly. IT departments are responsible for keeping data, assets and intellectual property safe from hackers and other online threats. Periods of downtime can be extremely damaging for business if projects cannot be completed on time and data is lost. Look for a provider with a service level agreement that will guarantee a robust and highly available service. Time to drive home. While listening to music. La la la. What is Spotify? Spotify is a cloud-based digital music, podcast, and video streaming service that gives you access to millions of songs and other content from artists all over the world. Home, sweet home. Eat dinner with the family, play, check emails, and watch movies. What is Ultraviolet? Ultraviolet is a cloud-based movie service. Buy it once, play it anywhere. Ultraviolet allows consumers to stream purchased movies to internet-connected devices. The idea is that users will be able to permanently purchase a movie and keep a copy of it in the cloud. Time for bed. We cannot see any clouds at night. Get a good night's rest for tomorrow's better Claude. He. But, what is the future of cloud computing? The future is multi-cloud. Settling on a single cloud model would create compromises for organizations. Multi-cloud strategy reduces vulnerability. Organizations tend to prefer a multi-cloud strategy to get out of the keeping all your eggs in one basket problem that can leave them vulnerable. The recent acquisition by Google of Orbitera, a platform that supports multi-cloud commerce, shows Google recognizes multi-cloud is the future. While Amazon Web Services remains the dominant player, businesses wanting the freedom to juggle multiple cloud services may well help the other players to catch up. Thank you all so much for watching. That's all, folks. References. Also, I am Daisy, a computer-generated voice. Haha. Meet the creators: Michelle, Sunku, and Chelsea.